So this word came up this weekend, and I started thinking about like, how do I interpret that word? That's just a word. The word's coincidence. There's no direct interpretation in ASL. Then, so how do I explain that? So the best way I know how to interpret that would be like something big happened, had a huge impact, like OMG moment. But there's no direct interpretation or translation of that one word. So it can get confusing. Imagine now we're talking about different phrases or concepts, or you're trying to understand really what is that person trying to say. Not all people talk directly. And that's where interpreting an ASL versus English can become really complicated. But I love it.